Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today Festilandia is actually open. So we're going to have a quick look because there's no kids in here. So if you've got children, guys, this is absolutely fab for them. Little rides. You can get tickets there for them. This is absolutely perfect for little ones. Just filming in here today because there's actually no kids in here. If there were children in here, I obviously wouldn't come in and film. Got this. Have you ever brought your kids here before? Little like trucks that they can go round in, and like a flying kind of thing. Normally this is closed. Little bumper cars, how cute are them? Oh man, I wish I was a kid. Cute little seating area there. So you can sit in the shade. There's toilets. Told you what's in here. What's this one? Like a kind of cute little roller coaster. One of them jumpy things. Ball pit. Now there is a bouncy castle, but there's some children on that, so we're not actually going to film that. There are some trampolines, so we're not going to film over there because there are kids. It's one of them like shooting things. Ooh. I like these are like kind of trampolines you can go on, and like you're fastened in so you can do somersaults and stuff. And got an 8D cinema. Oh my god, I can remember when I first came and there was like a 4D one. It's €5 a go. That looks brilliant. And then again, you've got the arcade and prizes. We're not going to film there. We'll go back over here because there's children there. Little bee thing. And look, a duck. Oh my god. You know, this brings back so many childhood memories. €5 and you're guaranteed a prize. You hook a duck and you, whatever you get, I don't know whether it works on colours or numbers, you win a prize. Cool. So you can also charge your phone. Little ducks, €2 each, and you can win a duck. And we have the arcade. Which we're not going to go in because I'm not sure whether I can film in there or not. And then you got your tickets for €20. You get €8 for free. That's quite good. So you get €28. You can just buy single things. Jumping €6. And if you want to spend, yeah, if you want to spend €100, you get €80 for free. €50, you get 36 for free. 30, you get 18 for free. So wow. I don't know whether that's per child or whether that can be divided like however many kids you got. Ticket station if you win tickets. The arcade. I think that's called Soul Park. It is part of Festilandia. How about winning that great big laboo? Imagine taking that home. Woo!
Yes, I did.
You're right. And of course Lilo and Stitch. Can't have an arcade without Lilo and Stitch. So have you ever visited here, guys? Have you ever bought your kids? Do you think it's a bit pricey? Of course, like having children is expensive, but you know, I should imagine you bring your kids here, they're going to want to go on everything. But if you spend €20 and you get €8 free, that's 28. I suppose it depends how much the rides are though. I mean, as I've seen, some of them were like €5 a go, so probably wouldn't go very far. But hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.